The 2015 Chevrolet Spark. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback has not yet reached the 20,000-kilometer mark. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, a trip computer, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, OnStar, and ABS brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. Come see us today and we'll help you drive away in your dream vehicle.